Hi there and welcome back. Are you navigating the new regulatory landscape of the pharmaceutical industry in India? Then you are in the right place. Today, we are continuing our deep dive into the revised Schedule M. I am Insha Khurana, your guide from Clinic Experts, a regulatory consulting firm with over 15 years of experience supporting pharmaceutical and life sciences companies. We have assisted hundreds of businesses from global giants to emerging startups in staying audit ready and fully compliant. In this video, you will discover what is Form A and how to fill it. Second, how revised rules impact contract manufacturers. Third, how to apply for a deadline extension and how Clinic Experts can help. To recap briefly, Schedule M under India's Drugs and Cosmetic Act lays down good manufacturing practices principle for pharmaceuticals. In January 2024, the revised Schedule M came into effect, aligning our manufacturing standard with WHO GMP and international norms. This update is not just a compliance necessity, it is an opportunity for Indian pharma to be globally competitive. Whether you are a manufacturer, contract producer, or exporter, these new rules affect you. What is Form A? Let's start with Form A. Form A is an application format notified under the revised Schedule M for filing your GMP compliance declaration. Every manufacturer, whether large scale or SME, must submit this to indicate alignment with the new norms. Filing Form A involves declaring your manufacturing categories, sterile, non-sterile, etc., uploading audit reports or facility assessment, listing corrective actions and timelines, and providing documentary proof like SOP update, staff training log, and validation reports. At Clinic Expert, we help prepare gap analysis, compile your document, and submit Form A accurately and promptly, avoiding delays or rejections. Impact on contract manufacturers. Now let's talk about contract manufacturers. Previously, many relied on principal companies to guide compliance, but now contract units are directly responsible for meeting revised Schedule M. That means even if you are making products for someone else, you must independently ensure your premises meet environmental and air quality norms. Records are digitized and traceable. Staff with training under the updated GMP protocol. Failure to comply could mean losing clients or facing license suspension. We have worked with multiple third-party manufacturers across India, helping them pass inspection and build credibility. Key deadlines to remember. Mark these dates: July 1, 2024, deadline for large manufacturers; January 1, 2025, deadline for SMEs. But here is the catch. Compliance is not a one-week task. It involves plant audits, system overhauls, and documentation. So don't wait, start early, or better talk to us. Impact on export and WHO GMP status. A common concern we hear: will this affect our WHO GMP or export licenses? The answer is yes, potentially. If your facility fails to meet revised Schedule M, you may lose recognition from international agencies or face export hurdles due to non-alignment with global GMP. But with proper guidance, you can upgrade operation to meet both Indian and WHO standards and even improve your audit readiness for regulated markets. How to apply for extension? If you are an SME and can't meet the January deadline, you can apply for an extension, but it is not automatic. You will need to submit Form A with a request, include a detailed compliance plan, show genuine challenges, and a realistic timeline. This is where Clinic Expert truly adds value. We have already helped dozens of companies successfully apply for extension. From drafting the rationale to submitting online application, we do it all. Need facility upgrade, staff training, documentation cleanup? Consider it done. Let's wrap up with the 3 key takeaways. First, Form A is mandatory, and Clinic Expert can help you fill and file it right. Second, contract manufacturers must independently comply, no exceptions. Third, SMEs can request deadline extension, but only with proper planning and support. Ready to make your compliance journey smooth and stress-free? Reach out to Clinic Expert, your trusted regulatory partner for 15 plus years. Call us, visit clinicexpert.com, or drop us a message. Let's ensure your facility not only complies but leads. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insight from cleaning experts. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.